How to change map theme in Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the map theme in Mobile Legends. It's super easy and just take a few seconds. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Mobile Legends app on your phone. And once you are on the main screen of the game, simply choose the game mode that you want to play. In my case, I will be selecting Classic, but you can do this with other modes too. Now here, once you are in the game section, simply look at the top right corner of the screen and you will see a small map icon. So just tap on it and this will open a side menu where you can view the available map themes. So just browse through the map option and select the one that you like. And after picking your preferred theme, just tap on confirm button at the bottom of the menu, and just like that, your map theme is now changed. And that's it. Now you can enjoy a fresh look while playing Mobile Legends. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.